As a key process in the assembly line of electric fireplaces, it begins with workers first assembling the heating fan, which is the core component of the electric fireplace, providing warm air. Following that, power control components are installed, serving to manage the output of the power supply, thereby ensuring the safe operation of the electric fireplace. The installation of light strips is done next, and the switch panel is secured in an appropriate position for easy operation by users. After the entire assembly process is complete, each component connection is thoroughly checked to ensure the stability and safety of the electric fireplace. Finally, all functions are checked one by one to guarantee the quality and performance of each electric fireplace as it leaves the factory. Impressive Flame, a Chinese fireplace manufacturer, offers products like electric, bioethanol, and gas fireplaces, along with mantles and accessories. All products comply with international standards. We provide customized services, including OEM and ODM, and have our own design capabilities. Our efficient manufacturing process ensures quick and reliable delivery by sea or air freight. Interested? Leave a comment or visit our website. We respond within 12 hours, ensuring your information remains confidential.